You know what a noun is, right? Yes, those words other than pronouns which are used to identify people such as boy, girl, Obama, and your name. Yes, you. Your name is an example of a noun. Nouns also identify places. For example, Ghana, Kumasi, Belgium, and the name of wherever you find yourself at the moment are all nouns. Again, nouns identify things. So the words bag, cup, book, and the names of all the things you can think of are nouns. Nouns also identify ideas, qualities, and states. So truth, love, faith. Okay, wait. Let's take the word faith. We just classify this as a noun, correct? Now let's add this to it. What do we have here? Faithful. Is faithful still a noun? No. This is an adjective. Now let's add that to it. We now have unfaithful. Is this a noun or adjective? It's an adjective. But does it carry the same meaning as faithful? No. The complete opposite actually. Okay, let's add this to it. Unfaithfully. Is this a noun? No. Is it an adjective? No. This is an adverb. Do you have any idea what's happening? Stay tuned with me, Yao, as we find out in our third lesson of the Akan grammar course. We are looking at Twi Nouns and affixes. You may log on to www.learnakan.com to check out transcripts of this and other lessons. This lesson is in two main parts. First, we will look at Twi Nouns. Under this, we will look at examples of proper nouns, common nouns, concrete nouns, abstract nouns, collective nouns, countable nouns, and uncountable nouns. The second part of the lesson deals with Twi affixes. Here, we will explore examples of Twi prefixes and suffixes. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. We start with the nouns. Proper nouns, known in Twi as edimpa. Edimpa. So what do we mean by proper nouns? They are nouns which are used to identify particular people, places, and things. In writing, proper nouns begin with capital letters. Examples in English include Michael, England, Africa. Now let's look at some Twi examples of proper nouns. O, fo, ri, ofori, ofori, po, ma, ampoma, ampoma, su, nya, ne, sunyane, sunyane, o, nyang, ko, pong, onyankopon, onyankopon, den, su, densu, densu, swa, me, swame, swame, o, tum, fo, o, say, tu, a, o, to, so, mie, nu. Otumfuo ɔsɛe tutu a ɔtɔ so mmienu. Otumfuo ɔsɛe tutu a ɔtɔ so mmienu. Kristo som, Kristosom, Kristosom. Bi brem, ebibrim, ebibrim. Me, ne, da, me, da. Kwame, crime, akweside, pokuya. We move on to common nouns, known in Twi as edinhunu. These are nouns which are used to refer to people or things in general. English examples include boy, girl, soap, stone. Twi examples: man, oman, suku, eda, arehuo, enijie, otime, nkwada, edan, twerɛdua, onipa, adaka, ɔdɔ, pɛ, min, ku, me, nya, pɛsɛminkumenya, sika. Next, concrete nouns. Die yehunu, yetie, ana yetumi somu, which translates back into English as that which we can see, hear, or touch. Die yehunu, yetie, ana yetumi somu. Concrete nouns are in direct opposition to abstract nouns. They are used to refer to people and things that can be seen, touched, smelled, heard, or tasted. English examples include shoes, bottle, wall. Let's look at some Twi examples. Ntoma, ahoma, eban, usuo, ọwọ, akonya, krataa. On to abstract nouns. Twi, you can refer to this as adwenimudeɛ. Abstract nouns refer to things which have no physical reality, things that cannot be seen or touched. We have examples in English as beauty, bravery, anger. Twi examples include ohia, ayemye, ahoɔfɛ, nimdeɛ, akokoɔduru, ebufuo, ehu. Collective nouns. Deɛ ɛyɛ kuo adwuma. Collective nouns refer to groups of people or things. For example, mob, army, team. Twi examples include ebusia, 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 edom, 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 nyantene, 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 asafo, 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 aban, 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 agofoma, agofoma, agofoma. Let's turn our attention to countable nouns. Die yetumi kan, die yetumi kan. Countable nouns simply refer to things that can be counted. Because they can be counted, countable nouns mostly have both the singular and plural forms. English examples include stick, pen, table. Some Twi examples. I will give both the singular and the plural forms of each example. Kube, kube, kube. The plural is kube, nkube, nkube. Akwada, akwada, akwada. Plural of this is kwada, nkwada, nkwada. O mine, o mine, o mine. The plural is a mine, a mine, a mine. O Kristo ni, o Kristo ni, o Kristo ni. The plural is e Kristo for, e Kristo for, e Kristo for. Dia, dia, dia. The plural is nia, nia, nia. Twa, twa, twa. Plural is twa, twa, twa. Adanko, adanko, adanko. The plural of adanko is nanko, nanko, nanko. Are you wondering how the plurals are formed? Don't worry. This will be our topic for discussion in our next grammar video lesson. In the meantime, you can check out transcript of that lesson on www.learnakan.com. Okay, finally, let's look at uncountable nouns. Die yen to mean kind. Die yen to me kind. Like its name implies, uncountable nouns refer to things which cannot be counted. For example, water, milk, sugar. Some Twi examples. Esichiri, esichiri, esichiri. Chene, nchene, nchene. Nsio, nsio, nsio. Anya, anya, anya. Frama, mframa, mframa. Emo, emo, emo. Efutu, efutu, efutu.